Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here and we are back again for another vlog at we are here to unbox the Honor X6B from Honor Philippines. So hindi pa tayo full unboxing. I'm just going to make a short preview of this new phone from Honor Philippines. So this is the Honor X6B. Inabot sa amin to during the launching. Yan ang event, yung Honor 200 Tour event sa Subic. At nagulat kami na meron pa palang isa pa palang phone na ilo-launching. I guess ang sabi nila, this phone ibebenta daw nila ng piso sale. Ewan mo paano nagagawin yun, no? Parang it's a competition event yan sa Shopee. Shopee 99. This is September 9 sa Shopee. At this phone, parang i-online launch nila doon. At magkakaroon sila ng sale event na starting piso. I guess baka unahan, no? Unahan to, siguro mga ilang quantities siya. I'm not sure kung ilang piraso, no? Kung yung kanilang ilalabas. So, hindi ko alam kung magkano to. Parang kasi last year, the Honor X6A, I think mga below 10,000 siya. So, feeling ko mga ganito, ganun din siya. But feeling ko, ano din to, magandang model after the Honor X6A. At I heard from the specs na nakita ko, no, ano siya, pwede siyang i-drop test. Matibay daw siya. Meron siyang 5-star SGS rating kung saan matibay yung phone na ito. We're just going to test it on a series of drop tests at tignan natin kung parehas ba siya ng Honor X9B na matibay yung screen niya, matibay yung body niya. We're going to find it out. Okay, bigyan ko kayo ng preview, no? Unbox na natin to para makita niyo what's inside the box ng Honor 6B from Honor Philippines. Alright? Paano mo tayo mag-unbox? Ito na lang. Nakaharap na lang tayo. No? So, natanggal ko na yung plastic. So, ito yung laman niyan. Ayan. So, this is the phone. Ito yung phone niya. Naka-plastic. I got the midnight black phone. Tanggalin ko yung parang ano dito. Yung sticker. Tanggalin natin para malinis siya. Walang masyadong something na ayan, tinanggal ko na. Nakit natin dito. So, this is the midnight black color. Nakita ko may parang purple pa nga eh. Parang, ang ganda nga nung parang color po. Binigay sa akin is color black. Mukha siyang ano, parang siyang iPhone na black. Diba? So, ito siya. It's a triple camera. At matibay daw siya, no? I'm not sure kung gano'n yung ano yung tibay niya. Is it the screen? Is it the body? Well, I guess it's the body. I'm not sure for the screen, no? Medyo natatakot ako i-drop test to eh. So, ano pang laman niya? Meron siyang kasamang jelly case manual. Ayan yung jelly case niya. Tsaka yung pin ng SIM tray. Meron din siyang kasama. Ayan. Ito siya. And also the USB cable tsaka charger na hindi ko alam kung ilang watts to kasi hindi ko pa na-check yung specs, but this is just a preview of what you're going to get pag bumili kayo sa Shopee sale event ni Honor Philippines this 99 at sabi nila piso nila ilo-launch tong phone na ito, which is very interesting, no? Huwag sana mangyari yung nangyari sa isang brand. Well, I'm sure Honor Philippines is very careful when it comes to sale event like this. So, ilang piso sale ang kanilang ilalabas this September 9, Shopee 99 sale event. At launching na nila itong phone na malapit na. I think this September 5 or 6, mga ganun. No? So, abangan ninyo yung mga updates namin. So, I guess by that time, makakapag-launch ako ng unboxing video nito, testing na rin din, and also the drop test. After this, gagawa ko ng series of unboxing video and also drop test. Drop test ko na kaya ngayon, no? Natatakot ako kasi baka masira. Mamaya na. So, ano ko muna to, operate ko na muna. Check natin yung camera niya kung maganda. Alright, so this is the Honor X6B from Honor Philippines. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. So, ito na. Unbox na natin to.